how you talk or walk how you walk, 'cause I'd have a problem sleeping. Wandering eyes and comfortable eyes, you seem to sleep just fine. I'm not a saint and I make mistakes, but next to you I'm holy. Oh, I'm praying for your soul now, praying for your soul. If we're counting crimes, nickels and dimes, we'd both have riches, but you'd be the richest around. I could never